Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple and effective process of resetting your TP-Link RE330 Wi-Fi range extender. This step is crucial if you're encountering connectivity problems or planning to set up a new network configuration. Resetting can resolve persistent issues and restore your device to optimal performance. Let's get started. Resetting the TP-Link RE330 Wi-Fi range extender is necessary for resolving persistent connectivity issues, such as slow speeds or disconnections. It also helps when you've forgotten your login credentials or want to configure a new network. This process restores factory settings, ensuring a fresh start for optimal performance and reliability. Once you've chosen the best spot for your TP-Link RE330 extender, connect it to a nearby power outlet. Allow a minute or two for the device to fully power up. You'll know it's ready when the power LED lights up solid, indicating a successful connection to the electrical supply. Begin by identifying the reset button on your TP-Link RE330 Wi-Fi range extender. This button is typically found on the side or bottom of the device. It is designed to be small and recessed, which prevents unintentional activation. You'll need a pin or paperclip to press it effectively. Next, grab a pin or paperclip and firmly press and hold the reset button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. During this time, you'll see the LED lights on the extender begin to flash. This flashing signifies that the reset process is actively underway, preparing your device for a fresh start. After holding the reset button for the appropriate duration, the TP-Link RE330 extender will initiate a reboot. This rebooting process may take up to a minute to complete. You'll notice the LED lights on the device turn off momentarily before turning back on, signaling that the reset has been successfully finished. After the reset is complete, you'll need to reconfigure the extender from scratch. You can do this using the TP-Link Tether app or by accessing the extender's configuration page through your web browser. Follow the instructions to set it up just like when you first installed it. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experts is available to support you. You can reach us at 1-323-507-3713 for help and guidance. And that's all there is to it. Your TP-Link RE330 Wi-Fi range extender has been successfully reset and is now prepared for a new setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.